glare is on my sunglasses. So yeah, these are transition. If y'all don't know that, they are the Ray-Ban stories, record, take pictures, Bluetooth, all of that. So when you see me with these glasses, that's the reason why I wear them so much, because I can do video, snap pictures, and all that. Good morning, happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. If y'all got that email last night with Bath and Body Works, that 20%, the flash sale, I thought that it would start this morning, but it didn't. I got a funny feeling it's going to start once the stores is closed, which sucks because it's going to be a flash sale, and I got a feeling they're going to do it around 6 o'clock, 5 or 6 o'clock. So most of the stores will be closed. So it is what it is. Unless I place a BOPIS order, that's the only way that I'm going to be able to do that 20%. So again, I'm getting ready to go to another store, a store I haven't been to. I'm finna go. Leave in the comments, y'all, what do y'all think about that fine fragrance, that Plumera? I think that's how you pronounce it. How do y'all feel about that? Now, I'm wearing that today. I think it's nice. It's like a peach and apple type of scent. I mixed it with Zora apple juice just on the fly. I didn't even know that fine fragrance mist had apple in it, and I'm like, let me go check the notes. So I did that after I sprayed the apple juice. Now, if y'all don't know what apple juice by Zora is, I do have a video on that, but it's like super old. But that apple juice by Zora is a dupe for Chanel Tandra, I think, if I'm pronouncing that right. I think it's a dupe for Chanel Tandra fragrance. What I'm not liking about Bath and Body Works fine fragrance mist is that you have to spray so much of it. The scent just, their fine fragrance mists just don't last. So leave that down in the comments. Do the fine fragrance mists last a long time on you? And I understand most of the time we're using the fine fragrance mist as a body scent, not as a perfume, meaning like your clothes. I normally spray perfume on my clothes and fine fragrance mist on my skin. So it just kind of helps to make your fragrance lasts a little bit longer, and also helps to give you that unique scent, you know, your own blend, your own creation. So that's the reason why I kind of buy fine fragrance mist. I do wear fine fragrance mist like around the house, like if I'm not doing anything and I want a fragrance on, that's how I use them as well. But most of the time when I'm out and about, I kind of blend with a perfume. So again, today I'm wearing the Plumera and Zora's apple juice. I love Zora's apple juice. But let's head to the store, because again, I done dragged this video a little bit. So let's head on over to the store. Okay, y'all, let's check this store out. I don't normally shop this store because of past experiences, but on special occasions like this semi-annual sale, I'll come in here just to see what they have. So I was shocked that they had this pink lavender and espresso, because this candle been sold out everywhere. But I was asking the girl, is it $11.95? Because I was shocked, because I thought all of the neutral collections was regular price. So she said it's on sale. So I did grab that one because that's one that I have been looking for. It is on my wish list. So I was happy to find that one. But as you see, this store is well stocked up with candles that I haven't seen in a while. And yeah, I do see they have a lot of that Palo Santo vanilla. They have tons of it. And then it's blueberry marshmallow bar. Super shocked they still have that. But yeah, so I might come back to this store later on in the sale. But yeah, I was shocked that this store had so much. I really like what they did with this men's collection over here. I like the way they put everything together with that mahogany teak wood, and everything looks so nice over there. I'll give it to them on that. Another nice little treasure find that I was shocked that they had was these totes, 75% off. I'm surprised that they have these, and he said I think they had more in the back, but these are coming up for like $33, I believe, and it has everything: a 3-wick candle, a single wick candle, the fine fragrance, the lotion, the fizzy ball, everything. So if you're looking for those are still in the store, and plus you get the little tote with it. I decided to pass on this because it's nothing that I really want or need. So it was a pass for me, but it was a nice little treasure find to see that they had. So I was shocked to see that. 75%, you can't beat it to get that. I think the regular price was like $140 or $135, somewhere around that. So leave in the comments if you got this tote for 75% off. I passed, but yeah, leave that down in the comments. Coming up, which is the 17th, will be the 3rd weekend of the sale. I'm just gonna guess and say everything that's 50% might go 75. I'm just guessing. Don't hold me to it. It's not Rolling Stone. This is just Kim guessing, me guessing. So I'm hoping, I'm gonna cross my finger on that, because they do still have a lot of items that I would love to get for 75% off, and I just can't do it at 50%. I'm just saying. So hopefully this come weekend, everything will be 75%, and we could find a lot of those little gems or treasure finds, or knock a few things off of our wish list with a new markdown. So everybody cross your fingers. So hopefully this coming Father's Day weekend, the 50% stuff will go 75%. So let's all of us get in tune together and put that positive vibe out there, and hopefully it'll happen. This little pocket back holder, I really like it, and I might grab it with a rewards because it's $14.95. I really like that for my luggage. The home decor items is still 50%. I'm not sure when these items will be reduced to maybe 60 or 75, but I don't know. It seemed like that stuff be the last to be marked down. Okay, yeah, I'm out of there. Got the bag. They don't have the semi-annual sale bag. Got the stuff. I really wasn't planning on buying anything, but I just decided to just go ahead and grab a few items that they had. So it is what it is. I kind of feel like I want to go to another store. I don't know. So I got the stuff. Got some items. I got 2 candles, 4 fine fragrance mist, and 2 of these. Decided to go ahead and grab these 2. I think they had like a total of like maybe 5, but I grabbed 1 because I cannot find this anywhere. Now y'all know I've been to a couple of stores, but as far as the Waikiki Beach coconut, can't find it nowhere. So I decided to go ahead and grab another one, because in Myrtle Beach I did grab 1 and I like it. I love the scent, so I decided to just go ahead and buy another one. Why not? So I'm gonna get out of here. I don't know if I'm gonna go to another store. I'm finna head to Sam's. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the thumbs up. Leave me some comments. Are you finding everything that you're looking for on this semi-annual sale, or are you done? I feel like I want to be done, but y'all know every week they change the items. But I'm gonna have to talk to y'all when I get out of here because of this copyrighted music.